Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Jojoka powerful 20 volts, wireless brushless lawn edger. There are features include unbound cordless performance, break free from extension cords with the high-capacity 20-volt, 4.0 amp-hour lithium-ion system, delivering up to 40 minutes of uninterrupted edging power. Rapid 60-minute recharge cycles minimize downtime, keeping your landscape maintenance on schedule without the hassle of fuel mixing or tangled cables. Surgical edge definition. The hardened 9-inch steel blade features 3 precision depth settings to carve clean, manicured borders along driveways, sidewalks, and garden beds. Achieves professional-grade separation between turf and hardscaping for that crisp, maintained appearance typically reserved for landscaping services. Brushless efficiency and extended lifespan. Advanced brushless motor technology eliminates friction and heat buildup, delivering consistent torque while extending motor lifespan significantly beyond traditional brushed alternatives. Sustained power output ensures uniform cutting performance from the first pass to the final edge. Fatigue-free precision engineering. Ultra-lightweight 9.3-pound chassis paired with a telescoping height-adjustable handle reduces operator strain during extended use. Dual guide wheels maintain blade tracking stability along straight edges and curved beds, allowing effortless one-handed maneuvering with zero back strain. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.